Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OUKITEL RT8. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and now type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And now click Got it and click this button to skip introduction, then click Not Now and click Open Permissions. Now you have to select AI Assistant and here you have to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you have to click back and click back again. And now as you can see you have to click Start, and here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.